Company 10 hut.
Nom nom nom. All he talks about is nom.
I'm not even sure he was in Nam. What did you say? Raise those asses.
Oh,
Slap that big fat ass. Let's see those guns. Dusty muzzle. You there. We don't want that thing misfiring now, do we? Charlie will have your ass.
No, sir.
Good gracious, soldier. What have I told you about eating that wacky tobacco? You look about as high as Charlie Sheen.
Yes, sir.
Enough with all this tomfoolery and ballyhoo. Don't you know we're killers? Yes, cold-blooded bastards. Right?
here it comes. The glorious Battle of Saigon.
So there I was, surrounded by 20,000 VC elephants. Saigon it was. Yeah, I mowed them down. Without prejudice, of course. My muzzle was the angel of death. What was I saying? Oh yes, Elephant Nom. So there I was, surrounded by 50,000 VC elephants. Wipe that smile off your face, soldier. You think the VCs are ever happy? Oh, what do you got there? Oh, I can't believe it. It's the motherfucking Viet Cong.
Oh, I am not Vietnamese.
Is that right? Listen up, boy. Never trust Charlie.